In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set time interpolation and frame rate in Adobe Media Encoder. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to smoothly adjust the frame rate and ensure your video looks just the way you want. Let's begin by adding your job to the Adobe Media Encoder queue. You can do this by easily dragging a clip into the queue, or by sending the file straight from another Adobe application, such as Premiere Pro. Once your clip is in the queue, you'll notice it in the queue panel. Here, you'll see the format or preset name highlighted in blue. This is a clickable link that will open the Export Settings dialog, which we need for further adjustments. Once you're in the Export Settings dialog, direct your attention to the Video tab. This is where you can make various adjustments to your video settings, including frame rate, which is crucial for determining how smooth your playback will be. Your next step is to locate the frame rate drop-down menu under the Basic Video Settings section. Clicking on the drop-down will present you with several options. You can choose from a range of frame rates, such as 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or even 60 frames per second. Select the frame rate that best suits your need. Sometimes, when you're working on a project, you might need to change the original frame rate, either by downscaling or upscaling, such as going from 24 frames per second to 60 frames per second. In such instances, you might want to adjust the time interpolation settings. Time interpolation helps with the visual flow of your video when you change frame rates, ensuring transitions between frames look smooth rather than jittery. It can be particularly useful when you're converting a video with a lower frame rate to a higher one. After setting your desired frame rate and optionally adjusting time interpolation, take a moment to double-check other settings such as resolution and bitrate to ensure they align with your project's requirements. It's essential to maintain consistent settings to achieve the highest quality output possible. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, you'll find options like OK, Apply, or Similar at the bottom of the dialog box. Click this to save your changes. Your final step is to start the queue process to begin encoding. Simply hit Start Queue, and Adobe Media Encoder will start processing your file according to the specifications you've set. Now you have a clear pathway to setting your video's frame rate and time interpolation in Adobe Media Encoder. With these adjustments, you can enhance the visual quality of your projects, suited perfectly to the demands of your current task or creative vision. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.